All right, welcome everyone. We're really excited to have you here. I'm sitting down today with Mike Fischette from Concord Engineering. And Mike, welcome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.
Why don't we open up and you can introduce yourself a little bit. Tell us a little about yourself and what you're doing.
Sure. My name is Mike Fischette. I started Concord Engineering back in 1989, and I've been the CEO for the last 30 years.
Great. And tell us a little bit about the work you do and who are the people that you help with the work you do and how do you get involved with them?
So the company is made up of three different companies: an engineering firm, an energy consulting firm, and a construction management firm. And we help just about everybody in the microgrid space. And I think that's what makes us really unique. We can provide detailed engineering. We can provide consulting on the supply side. We can do startup and commissioning, and we can even take some risk in building the project.
That's great. What would you like customers to know about you? You obviously have a big breadth of things you work on, but what are some of those highlights?
Yeah, I think the most important thing for me to get out to the customers and people we work with is our pedigree. I don't think people really understand the importance of pedigree. My background and the company's background on the power side came from large power plant, nuclear and fossil, large transmission and distribution substation design. So when you're in the microgrid space, we're bringing that higher level of expertise coming down, into the smaller projects, which, by the way, was not easy to do. We had to reinvent ourselves. But I think from a customer's point of view, I'd feel a lot more comfortable with someone coming from bigger space than trying to, engineer up into a space they hadn't been in before.
That's great. And also, what are you most excited about in the industry right now, Mike?
So what I'm really excited about is Concord has developed a solar photovoltaic development and EPC business. Many of the microgrids that we're looking at right now are multi-DER. They're solar PV, battery, engine, or fuel cell. And so, we're just taking another bite at the apple to be able to provide a more complete solution. So we're taking full risk on development and EPC for the solar PV systems.
Yeah, it's great to hear. You have a large breadth of things you're working on and obviously a number of touch points and great customers to work with. So really appreciate you taking the time to talk with us today. Thanks, Mike.
You got it. Thank you. Thank you for allowing me to speak.